Now, I've had people asking me about this niche for a while now, and honestly, I kept putting it off for one reason. Not because the niche wasn't good, it is. Not because the books weren't selling, they are. But because I couldn't find a simple way to actually create them that you guys could easily follow and use for yourself. To be specific, I'm talking about the monochrome coloring book niche. And if you've seen these books on Amazon, you probably already know why people are interested in them. They look clean, they look different, they feel more premium than a basic coloring page. And the crazy part is, they can sell really well. But there still isn't nearly as much competition as you would expect. The reason is actually pretty simple. Most people don't know how to make them, or if they do, the process feels too manual, too technical, or too annoying to repeat over and over again. But I think I finally found a lazy AI method that makes this KDP niche way too easy. And I don't say that lightly, because up until now, I haven't really seen anyone show a simple way to create these monochrome coloring books with AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I found, how this method works, and why this might be one of the more interesting coloring book opportunities on Amazon KDP right now. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. So let's actually take a look at this niche on Amazon. We can see total results 912, and that is coming from a generic search term, just the monochrome coloring book. So this niche is still not competitive, but you're gonna see here with the bestsellers rank on average less than 100,000. So that means that on the first page here, the average bestsellers rank for these books is less than 100,000, which means that these are high performing books. They sell very well. Customers love these books. But for whatever reason, publishers just don't produce a lot of these books. And honestly, that could be because it's a little bit harder to actually produce. And a lot of people just want a lazy method so that they can create these types of books. But up until now, there hasn't really been an easy method to create these monochrome coloring books. We can see a niche score here extremely high at an 83. This is from the Titans Quick View plugin that I'm using. It just helps with research overall. Demand is a 7 here, so that's high. Opportunity score, a 9. Now looking through these books, you're gonna see right away a #1 bestseller. Now this is not a KDP book, but it still shows you that you can get bestsellers in this niche. This one has a book ranking of 517. Now the first KDP book is actually right here called Monochrome Murders. This one independently published, royalties, almost $2,000 per month. That is with a 21,000 BSR. The one right next to it, very similar, about 20,000 BSR and close to $2,000 per month in estimated royalties. Now going on to the next row, you have this one called Woodland Whimsy, almost $3,000 per month in estimated royalties. That's for a book ranking of 12,000. Now the one next to it, Monochrome Landscapes, over $1,200,000 per month. And this one, Gothic and Botanical Monochrome Coloring Book, over $1,300 per month in estimated royalties. This is all coming from a single book, and these are monthly royalties. This one right here, a swear word type, over $1,500 per month. This one, over $3,700 per month. And as you can see, it just goes on and on. All these books are making thousands of dollars per month, and these are very simple books. This one, $1,800 per month. Here's one a little bit more lower here, $500 per month. But as you can see, pretty much every monochrome KDP coloring book is selling, and is selling very well. This one, Monochrome Animals, $1,000 a month. A lot of sub niches here that you can take note of. Monochrome Depression coloring book, $1,000 per month. Monochrome Kawaii Horror coloring book, couple $100 per month. Cozy Moments monochrome coloring book, $500 per month. So lots of different ways to make money in this niche. Now let's take a look at this example. This is called the Monochrome Botanicals coloring book. So just a botanical style monochrome coloring book, $9.99. Now that is the typical price point for coloring books. So if you're worried about what to price your book, usually $9.99 is what I see, and that's what customers are accustomed to. Now looking here in the description, 30 coloring pages. So overall, if you think about it, not a lot of coloring pages here. I mean, total print length is only 68 pages. but look at the 4.6 out of 5 rating. 83% is a 5-star. So obviously this book is doing quite well with its own customers, and the reviews show that. Now, this book is extremely simple in its concept. It is just a black and white book. That is what the name says, monochrome coloring book, a one color coloring book. And so when you get to the actual pages, this is what it looks like. Now, this image on the right is when it's completed. The image on the left is what you actually want for your book. It's basically an outline of the coloring page. And if you notice, there are dots inside where the customer is supposed to color in the image. And so it actually looks more like this. So this is kind of just split here. You have your right side that's complete, and you see these dots right here. Now, these are what I'm saying. The dots is where the customers will go ahead and color these parts in, leaving the undotted parts uncolored, which would be the white space. Very simple in its concept, but if you actually think about doing this manually, it can take a little bit of time, especially if you don't know how to use these design or editing programs. It can be quite difficult. Now, I want to show you this graph because it shows you the history of the book. And as you can see, when it was first published, you had your ups and downs here. So basically it sells every couple of days, but then sometime around October, it really started to take off. And as this line starts moving downwards, this is closer to 0, as you can see the number right here. And this is the BSR rank. Closer to 0 you are, the better, the more sales you're making. And as you can see, as the reviews started to gather here, this is the review count, the pink line. The purple line just started to go down and just stabilize. And it's kind of ranking at an average of about 5 to 10,000 BSR for quite a long time now. And it doesn't look like it's changing anytime soon. That's the power of these monochrome coloring books. They just sell very, very well. And it's kind of the new thing in town. Now, before we get into the tutorial, here's the backstory. I searched around and honestly, I couldn't find a simple, clean method for creating monochrome coloring books in a way that actually made sense for you guys. And that's the problem with this niche. The demand is there, the style is interesting, customers clearly like the look, but if the creation process is too complicated, most people are never going to follow through. So I decided to reach out to someone who specializes in AI prompts, and I asked the very specific question. Can we create prompts that make monochrome coloring book pages easier to generate? Not coloring pages, not basic line art, actual monochrome style coloring pages that have that bold, finished, premium look. And surprisingly, they were able to do it. So what I'm going to show you now is the prompt method, how the images look, and how you can start using this to create your own monochrome style books without doing everything manually. Now, like I said in the video, this is going to be a lazy method to actually create these monochrome coloring pages. And we're going to use this by simply just copying and pasting these prompts that were created specifically for this book. So right here, we're going to see 8 groups here. When we click and expand this, there's going to be categories here of prompts. And so total 306 prompts, 51 categories, and 8 groups. And it's really very easy to actually do this. Step 1, really just 3 steps here, is just to choose your prompts and then generate them inside of ChatGPT. And really step 2 is just with bonus prompts, which we'll go through as we go along here. And then step 3 is just to assemble and publish this in programs like Canva, Affinity Publisher, Adobe InDesign, or Microsoft Word, basically just putting all of the images together. And I actually covered this step 3 in complete detail in my KDP royalty roadmap. You can find that linked down below. It's completely free, so just download that if you want the full process of publishing a KDP book. So let's go ahead and look at one of these groups. I kind of like this one right here, Coastal, Lighthouse, and Tropical Beach. And then within here, there's 4 groups. So Lighthouse on a rocky coast. I think this one, Tropical Beach with palms, looks pretty good. So when I click here, there are 6 prompts right here. If I go ahead and expand this, you can see it's not very lengthy, but it's very powerful. So if we just read this one right here, Tropical Beach sunset scene, a quiet shoreline with tall bending palm trees, gentle waves, scattered shells, a glowing low sun, drifting clouds, and a serene open horizon. Now, with these prompts, usually the first part is going to be the scene, and then the next part, which is the bulk of the prompt, is usually going to be copy and paste. It's going to be the same with all of the prompts. And this is where the important details are in order to create this monochrome coloring book. Generate a detailed but clean light gray reverse monochrome coloring page template. The artwork should look like a finished black-filled lino-cut stencil coloring page. So that's interesting. But with all black fill replaced by a very pale light gray, approximately 8 to 12% gray, or this color code right here. Pale gray shapes are the areas where users will color later. Leave thick, clean, white negative space gaps between all gray shapes. Use bold, rounded stencil-like forms, clear silhouette shapes, strong contrast through shape separation. So that's very interesting right here. And a balanced square one-to-one composition. The image must be square, centered, designed as a printable coloring page on a pure white paper background. Add a clean white outer margin or simple square frame when it improves the composition. No actual black fill, no text, no watermark, no shading, no gradients, no texture, no photorealism. So this is the entire prompt. Let's go ahead and copy this. And then inside of ChatGPT, we're going to go ahead and paste this and just let's see what ChatGPT can do with this prompt. So here it is, as we can see. Let's do a close up here. I think it looks pretty good. Now, I would like to actually have the dots where the user or the customer will go ahead and color in. But I think this is a good starting point. Now, what I want to do is actually go back to the prompt list here and go into these bonus prompts. Now, inside of these bonus prompts, we're going to see right here, dotted guide outline prompt. This is kind of what I'm looking for. And I think I want to go ahead and copy this. And as it says right here, paste any of these right after generating your base page. So let's go ahead and copy this and put it into ChatGPT. And it actually did a good job. So here's the prompt right here and the output is right here. So if we click on this, we can see that it in fact did remove the gray areas and replaced it with this pattern of dots, which is exactly what I'm looking for. So this looks exactly like those books that we were looking at. You have your distinct outlines, you have your dots, makes it very easy for the customer to go ahead and just follow this, just color in all the dots, leave all the white space, and you'd have a completed page. Now, if we go back to the bonus prompts, let's go ahead and try all of these. So the finished black monochrome prompt. So this would be the actual completed image. I think it would be good as a front cover, or you can use it in your thumbnails if you're creating this as a digital product on Etsy. You can also use it for A+ content. Let's go ahead and copy this. And there it is. As we can see, it turned all of those dots into a black color. So this would go perfect for a cover for KDP for the book, as well as using it for other things like A+ content or other photos in your listings. So this is really great. Very nice that this is included as a bonus prompt. Now let's go ahead and look at this reverse coloring page prompt. So I think this is a real bonus here because this is a totally different type of book. And so this is going to transform this image into a reversed style coloring page. So let's see if this actually works well. Let's go ahead and copy this. And as we can see, it actually looks pretty good. Now I would make some tweaks with the actual prompt because I would want it to turn out into a more watercolor image where all of the colors here are kind of connected and not a ton of white space. But I think as a start, this actually looks pretty good. Now, would I use it in a reverse coloring book? Not right now, but with some tweaks to this prompt, I think we could actually get there. But this is just a great bonus to have. So if you want me to go ahead and request the makers of these prompts to go ahead and see if they can refine this even further, and you want me to go in depth in this reverse coloring book niche, let me know in the comments down below. Now there is one more bonus prompt, which is this one, split process preview prompt. This is going to be great to be put into your books or especially the A+ content. So let's go ahead and copy this. And here it is right here. So this is a great way to show the before and after. Now I would change these gray areas into that dotted pattern. And I think that would be pretty easy to go ahead and alter this from ChatGPT. But this is a great asset to have to include in things like A+ content or other photos with your digital products if you're going to turn this into a digital product with Etsy. Now, if we go back to the prompt list, I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste all of the rest of these prompts, so 6 of them, and I'm gonna show you what they look like. So here's another prompt. So this is the image. It looks really good, this scene, but once again, I want those dotted patterns. And so I just went ahead and just copied that bonus prompt into each and every one of these. And as you can see, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. So here's the dotted areas. And as you can see, it looks just like the other coloring books that we looked at. So for the next one is a seashell mandala. And as you can see, just a grayed out picture there, but transforming it into the dotted guide outlines, you can see it does exactly that. Very, very good quality here, and just nothing to really complain about. Now, the next one is driftwood and seashell on a breezy shoreline. And then I went ahead and transformed it. Once again, looks very good. Nothing to really complain about. I have all my dots here, my dotted patterns, all that stuff, and I can compare it with this one. So this is what it would look like. And as you can see, it looks very, very good. And then the other ones here. So here's another one right here, a bunch of seashells. Here's the sun. And then the other one right here, a sand castle. So as you can see, looks very good, stays within theme, and you can really build an entire coloring book with these prompts. And if you wanted to, you could even just go ahead and take this part out right here and create your own theme. Just make sure that you keep this part the same. This is the important part right here. And anytime it produces this type of image, you can go ahead and transform it with this prompt right here. And as you can see, it just turns out really, really good. Now at this point, all you'd want to do is go ahead and save these to your computer. And you want to go ahead and do that with all of your images. So just like this, I right click, save image as, and do this with all of your images. Now, one thing you want to do with your AI images is you want to upscale them. So I use this one for free. So just choose your images here, and I have my image loaded here. I like to do 400% and just click upload and start. Give it a few seconds. Do this with all of the images. You want to make sure that they're upscaled. You want to make sure that those lines are crisp, clear, and not blurry. And this is the way that you do that. Now, to show you what it should look like when you're done arranging all these inside of a program. For example, I use Canva for all of my books. So typically you're going to have a book belongs to page. These are common with coloring books. And so I just titled this monochrome coloring book belongs to. I turned it into an outline here using effects and this outline effects right here. And then the first page is done. The second page right here is going to be blank, because it's going to be a bleed through page, or the backside of this page. So for bleed through purposes, I usually keep this blank. And so I start my pages on the next page. And now all I do is just upload it at this point. Remember to upscale your images. You want those upscaled, and then just resize it. You can center it, and then there you go. Another thing that you can do is you can go ahead and edit this, and you can adjust the black levels to make it even more black, or you could just keep it the way it is, up to you there. Now, the next page is blank, and then the page after that is another image from one of those prompts from ChatGPT, and then just kind of do that pattern. As you can see, I put this together in about 5 minutes, and I just need a few more pages, and I'll have a completed monochrome coloring book that I can go ahead and upload and sell on Amazon. Now, you should have, I would say, 40 images. So once you have all those images in this type of pattern, you can go ahead and save it here by clicking share, download this. You want to download as a PDF print. You can go ahead right here, flatten the PDF, make sure it's all pages, and then choose CMYK. But if you're not paying for Canva Pro, you can just use RGB and then hit download. So hopefully now you can see why this niche is so interesting. It's just not another coloring book. It's a coloring book that customers are already buying, but most publishers still don't have an easy way to create until now. If you want the monochrome prompts that I showed in this video, I'll leave the link to those down below in the description. And if you want help learning the full Amazon KDP process step by step, I also put together my free KDP royalty roadmap, and that'll walk you through the entire process. You can find that linked in the description as well. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.